Welcome to the Beach Club, located on Fort Morgan Peninsula in beautiful Gulf Shores, Alabama. Here at the Beach Club, this is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath that can be a great vacation rental or even a second home. Sunlight gapes into the living room, dining room, and kitchen area through the floor-to-ceiling windows. This 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath has 2 Gulfront master suites. There's an additional bonus room that brings the total sleeping accommodations to 12 guests. Enjoy the large balcony with miles of Gulfront views. For more information about this property, click the link below or simply go to KristyBushaw.com.